The fire tetrahedron, which started as the fire triangle, identifies 4 elements: fuel, heat, oxygen, and chemical reaction. The different fire classes include Class A, fuel that ashes; B, fuel that bubbles or boils; C, fuel with an electric current; D, combustible metal; K, found in commercial kitchens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the proper use of each fire extinguisher. Pull the pin. Aim at the base of the fire. Squeeze the lever. Sweep from side to side. Some things to remember. Fire is fast. Fire is deadly. Get low and find the nearest exit. If you can't get out, close the door and cover vents and cracks around the doors to keep smoke out.